How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll quickly show you on how you can reset your Roblox avatar to default. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a button in order for us to do this easily, but the steps are going to be the same for mobile devices and for computers. So just head over to the Roblox application. From here, you'll want to navigate through your avatar. If you're using your mobile devices, it's going to be at the bottom of your screen. Inside this page, click Customize, and then you could just simply select the default Roblox skin that we have. So in my case, it's going to be this one. Basically, you could just select the skins, or you could just unselect the things that we have equipped that is simply not default. And so basically from there, you are good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.